It's time. This is what is about to happen for you this month and the message that you need to hear. These videos are so unbelievably accurate that time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are. Welcome to your Choose a Photo video for this month. In this video, I'm going to share exactly what's about to happen for you, what you need to know, and maybe even what's been happening lately for you. And as usual, I'm not only going to give you that exact message, but I'll also share a prediction about what you're about to see, as well as a meditation and an affirmation to use based on whatever photo you choose. So you'll not only get the messages, but also tools you can take action on to really amplify and create some amazing manifestation results this month. So let's get started. If you've been here before, you know the drill. But just in case you're new, how it works is that I'm gonna put up 4 photo cards up on the screen. You choose one, and then I give you the accurate message, prediction, and manifestation message you need to hear based on whichever one you choose. And if you like these types of videos, I have a whole playlist of them linked down below called the Choose a Photo playlist. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. Here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are participating in this Choose a Photo video today, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below so that I know how many of you are watching and trying this out. Like I have mentioned in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot, it's not any kind of psychic thing. This is actually based through psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, you'll most likely be shocked at how accurate this gets. So here we go. In just a moment, those 4 photos are gonna go up on the screen at the same time. And without overthinking it or going too deep, you are going to just pick one. Pick whichever one you're drawn to first. Do not overthink this. Don't pick the one you like. Just pick whatever your eyes go to first. And then I will tell you what it means and what's about to happen for you. So here they are, and again, just pick one and I will give you your message and prediction. Here we go, and you have just a few seconds to choose. If you chose the first photo of those 2 rocks with the stars in the sky over the water, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You are right on the brink of innovation and expansion. This is truly a very magical period of your life that is the catalyst for so many amazing opportunities ahead. So be excited. You are in dream mode, where right now you are creating and deciding and calling in all of the things that you want. And right now you might even just feel it, especially if you're in the middle of any type of big transition or a big move or something new happening. The best is yet to come. Be motivated by what's possible. Expect only the best and watch how things start to unfold for you in such magical ways. And as you're in this dream mode, make sure you let go of and release limits, because limits are just lies that you chose to believe. And if everything were possible, what would you want? How can you follow where your heart and your instincts are calling you? Trust yourself. Allow yourself to feel excited, to feel the anticipation of only good things ahead. That sort of nostalgic and magical feeling of new beginnings, because you are on the brink of something great. Be sure to start leaning into the affirmation, I am only available for my expectations to be exceeded. The best is yet to come. And also start listening to either the Manifesting Vortex meditation or the In Your Favor subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They'll both be linked in the description box below for you. And your prediction is that you are going to start seeing elephants everywhere. And that may sound completely random and probably really strange, but elephants all over. And no, it does not have to be an elephant in person, although it could be, depending on where you live or where you're going. But it could be in person, or it could be on TV or in a magazine, or maybe someone talking about an elephant or a documentary on elephants. It could be a painting or a drawing. Watch how often elephants start showing up for you. If you chose the second photo of the beach with the footprints, here is the message and prediction that you need to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, it might feel like there is just one thing that just isn't manifesting no matter what you do. Maybe it's a circumstance or a situation in your life that just isn't being resolved. And it might feel like you've been waiting on this thing forever and that you have tried everything that you could think of. And you might just feel righteously, just totally frustrated. But here's the thing. You are not meant to, and it is not up to you to make this all happen yourself. That is too much pressure for one person. It's not up to you to make it work. You have been walking this path alone and likely in your head for so long that you've almost lost sight of the bigger picture. Instead of getting frustrated, get recalibrated. Focus on not the thing itself, but the resolution or the essence of what having this thing would make you feel. Because that right there is key in you being able to receive it. You can't hit a target that you don't know is there. So target the feeling that having it would provide. And the more you can tap into it, the faster this will all come together. Because situations and circumstances and people and places and things are being rearranged based on where you are and where you're operating from. So operate from the feeling that you want to create. And in that feeling, all of the resources and support you need can show up to allow it to happen. Take the pressure off of yourself. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using the affirmation, I am at ease in the outcome. I don't know how or when, but I'm certain it will happen. And also be sure to start using either the programming meditation or the block eraser subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked in the description box below. And your prediction is that you are going to start seeing feathers all over. It could be in person, it could be on the ground, it could be in a tree, it could be on a TV or a book or a piece of jewelry. Watch how often feathers start showing up for you. And if you chose the third photo of those stepping stones in the water, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You might be feeling stuck or overwhelmed around a specific situation or something that you're trying to manifest. But that right there is a sign that it's time to upgrade your belief system. Because how do you expect to receive something you don't actually believe you can have? This is often why people get stuck and think that manifesting just doesn't work. They throw something out there big like, I want $1 million by tomorrow. But do they actually have the belief system to back that up? So here is the thing with beliefs. They are built gradually. You start with a small belief that you can get behind, and then you pick something a little bigger and bigger, slowly building the path to where you want to be at with the end result. This is why I like to suggest gradual stretches, where you pick something that you can believe is possible, and then you stretch to something a little bigger, something that feels possible, just a little more difficult, and then onward and onward. So right now, if there's something big that you want, start with your beliefs. What's a belief that you can get behind right now that supports you having it? And then how can you stretch a little further, a little bigger, leading down the path to eventually having it? Because whatever you fully believe, you can have. So build that believability just like a muscle. You wouldn't go to the gym and pick up the 100-pound weight the first time you went in. You'd probably start with maybe the 5. And once that felt good and stable and normalized, you would then move to the 10. And then when you felt normal and stabilized at that 10, maybe you move up to the 20, and then you could handle the 40. Eventually, you will get to that 100. But if you were to go try to pick up that 100-pound weight without building any of that foundation, you'd probably be super discouraged and you'd probably just give up and walk away. You'd be like, oh, can't do that. That's it. The same is true for manifesting. Build that muscle, build that foundation so that when it's time, you can be ready to receive. And a great way to build this believability is through the law of assumption meditation or the belief reprogramming meditation. These are both amazing tools that will really help build up your belief system and lay that foundation for the thing that you want. They're both going to be linked down the description box below. And also be sure to start playing around with the affirmation, it's all possible. My success is inevitable. And your prediction is that you are going to start seeing yellow birds and or ducks. I know it sounds silly, but watch how often they start showing up for you. And it doesn't have to be in person. It could be on TV. It could be in a movie. It could be on a show, maybe even a duck crossing the street or a sticker or a painting or art. Watch how often you start seeing yellow birds and or ducks. And if you chose the fourth photo of the balloons, here is the message and prediction that you are meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. This is a major time in your life that you need to get ready and prepare to receive bigger and better things. Those big things that you've been wanting and trying to manifest are getting ready to arrive. Things that feel so next level. And it's time. You can go ahead and celebrate. But in order to reach this new level and receive all these bigger, better things, you have to be willing to let go of the things that are no longer serving you. You have to make space for these bigger things to show up, which means letting go of trying to control, letting go of overthinking the details, and letting go of old thoughts and beliefs that don't line up with you having what you want. So stop overthinking and start instead tapping into your intuition, because that will put you on the direct path to alignment. So notice this month what gut instincts are coming through for you. And notice if you trust yourself, because you should, because you're being guided. And if you notice things in your life starting to shift or change, that right there is space being made for you to receive. Because if nothing changes, nothing changes. So stop looking at and labeling change as bad, and instead let it be a sign that what you want is heading your way and your life is quite literally making room for it. Be on the lookout for magic and miracles showing up in all sorts of ways, because that is what you're attracting right now. And while you're in this phase, be sure to start playing around with the affirmation, I always see evidence of things working out even better than I imagined. And you can also start using either the Lucky Syndrome meditation or the Lucky Syndrome subliminal. It's a personal preference. You can use them both or pick whichever one fits best for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing stickers all over the place. It could be a sticker in person, it could be on TV, it could be on someone's clothes, it could be on a piece of paper, it could be a sticker stuck to the floor or stickers stuck to a wall. Watch how often you start seeing stickers. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. These are some of my absolute favorite videos to hear the results from, so please leave me a comment below. And like I mentioned, if you like these videos and want to watch more of the other Choose a Photo predictions, you can click the link for the Choose a Photo playlist in the description box below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset, and if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.